sika ba ya why you are not chabi say me de oka no nti obi de oka ma oni no nim kai de okroma say no yeah business akese nim kai de okroma say ah sorry ala say me de ka ti ma men kasa no na me de ka no nti eni kwasa ma no so kasa oh jai san kwasa sem na ya na wo ye na mo ma ne ma ye sere too much me am ne ma bi ma ne ma kwaye gorogo ya star bi most of times what's up we are dan aye dan Rafi be say den what is money hold on me ba I sweet patch 1 minute why da ma oni bi patch mami few minutes na me for why me ya dey mami few minutes na me for okay bye bye I don't say
patch me
omo fe papa
me that's
yeah because all ben nyina no like we said me lose concentration na me ye call craft na me intimi share am hweso obedru am na to hwe back ne kra na che say me wu kra am ba share for say
patch Lottie
patch say
Lottie
oh okay me do him abeka odi hu what because like we say him aprekope
me that's
different no go be so do him a lot
oh
but we from virus me na me dey him a account odi hu others yeah
me that and it's in birth set no be sana ma me na
no problem say kana we say me born yes say bibia kra na me ye bibia fresh am why
let's see father
okay mama introduce me hu ye
okay
me to nipa
hey
enye ekwambone so I mean me top football players
oh okay
we say park bi o ha say me we say boys bi bobo ho no kwa scout
a true hon
yeah ayi for am contract say me scout players in Barcelona
oh
like
Barcelona bay
Barcelona Spain
oh okay
yeah me top players ma Barca me to be ma Man City me to be ma Real Sociedad me to be ma Atletico Bilbao me to be ma a lot of teams
wow
but I feel I'm scouting I'm actually meet my me na me manage Derek Boateng.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, the regulator about Black Star, I'm managing that. And I'm managing free accounts so that. Currently, I'm managing guy with friend Muniru and Kelvin.
Wow.
Muniru no Italy, and Kelvin no America.
It sounds interesting.
Yeah, see, I'm like two players I'm managing on, but City for say the way I'm see the players, but I'm see fire.
Nene your career said they were.
No, I'm missing me players so hard.
And it's not what free croquet.
Oh, na say boy we say me need free be in a car butchery every year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me need free be in a car butchery. Most of the times now we another what is say me need free boom.
Oh.
Derek Boateng no about Aboom FC.
Ah.
And I made them. Yeah. Into I feel na my players are that come out. Na me hu won I to say me a single so me nyang ware. But we sure baby say na as a football agent will be a boo say na we say we know ba service we do chia e be ka koma. E ma ha madwene pa ene e tire bo say many players na am say abu say ma no enya we say na me manage o ma no mo rush me say yeah.
Meaning photographer be Babs so no cry e ma she no na wow yeah age.
Me last time see cry Jackie apia cry me sno be no baby. Na say the we see rush na me mpe. But now I stand in mama nampi. Yeah, I stand in mama nampi. Ona say sister Debbie cry me so me sno be no da. Yeah, Debbie na me ka say me Derek man na no ha madwen Derek manager ye cute na de na so I don't like that man. I say me hu won me nima de kontia like watch me. By the way, me person make kasa bibri. The here say me nya contact na say ade ye di e hu.
Oh, mama fama.
At the right time, me be say the shit. Phone be na issue.
Me use Techno.
Me iPhone X Max Pro magazine, okay?
Hey, e bada bay.
I feel na mo phone aye.
Patchouli.
I'm more issue ni what. Ti me fro. Why? Me number 8892. Yeah. Me say Ohima Lottie, me mistake you understand. Eti me fro. Why?
Me that's.
Me fro a pick ni ndin komo.
Patchouli.
Whole lot of rappers up in this game. Everybody wanna rap up. My hood is the I'm flawless. I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest. Hustle in my hood, started in a Camry. But next year, I will wake up in a new Bugatti. That means in my hood, we got luck, we lucky. The girls, them fresh, better like them jockeys. I keeping on making it dope, keeping on rapping and making it hits. Girls, keeping on shaking their body, now they ready to wanna. We give it to them everywhere we go. We make them then we make them 9 to move the flow. Yeah, and they try.
Good afternoon. Yeah, bro. Pacha we have coming. And we say we just food down open and I'm speaking we say like yeah. As on free we number. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. We dey nyabone. We ba ha ba be check your DB. Oh, okay. Na se mba be dru ye no. Kana mde ba na se se okwam ti ama ma short kakra wada ro.
Damn shit.
I'm saying ka unu ya ba ti ma trem kakra bi na ka da fa bi esi tan wa why wada ro.
Oh. Oh shit. The thing is here. Only one thing. My small me girl say Uncle Toddy, but my family phone's on same button. So I say. So I don't know how we're gonna do it.
I don't know. 20 be crying. I said me Chelsea kwana ho
Oh,
20.
like scan be in Sisabeka. I gave him 200 cities. So in Sisabeka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh shit.
And can channel how?
Oh yeah, we can just be here, hang around.
But I mean, who I'm saying,
that's what it is. That's a good guy. Yeah, you're a kind of good guy.
Mama swipe.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Alaba, your first senior.
Oh, Stana in it, yeah.
Stana in it.
Yeah.
Oh, but a guy. Because of share chains, and then we be an out to say level.
That's what it is.
Maybe you'll be like maybe some of the guys. I was on hotel.
That's what it is. It's missing. So I say in live there.
I feel as a maybe school and maybe page maybe there and I maybe check it maybe I see.
Oh, really?
And then
oh, don't worry, don't. Me will shop and me tonton sneakers me in Talenty. If you want a job, I can.
No problem.
Yeah.
And the son and no crowd and they with my family.
Oh, why not? Why me? I feel niggas are like I'm more confident, I'm more of him because we be on my best show attitude. I've been on the one turn or I've been on there, this kind of thing. Seriously.
Sometimes they say one can say to me you. Because man can't know. Man,
oh, don't worry.
And as a maybe the Nyame say me share will be our year real to say what.
Oh, that's what it is.
We are missing who
now. Anyway, first thing.
Me the virus.
How do you know that?
The virus,
yeah. That's
I feel I'm a real tertiary. You know, say sometimes I know my we are not a juma.
Oh, yeah. You know,
it's not my me go so me set an antenna cry. But company me no be say we trasi. Man buy a manager no say then be tin. Oh, baby was not a car so I problem cry.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Oh, we are nice person. Obi won cry say so watching so kasa no won.
Oh, no. In life there, you know, unim the best actually to be obe meeting be you got to. So I just say that's what it is.
That's what we are you cry back up. Me who be your race na me share na come something. Eh man gonna make you.
Don't worry.
Man, you can part to this time senior man.
Who say over shop and they meet me your baby 30,000.
That's also
voice no.
Like also to me a year, you know.
Oh, Queen, Lottie. I've been waiting for you, son. I mean, me to send me Bible search. Me patrol change in the car.
I went to the grocery store.
Yeah, so give me the change. Let me give it to this guy. I said, "Watch it." Now, how much? I can send 40 cedis. Let me give it. I seen him watching. I said, "Oh, obey or di mango we into or pesca faka or maybe oko." So I got, you know, allow me.
What?
Bro, me can't say me di mango. Now me say me mango shopper, me produce mango fruits. That's what I mean. You didn't get me right.
No, but you said you met me.
I met. No, what I was saying was like, no, don't get me wrong. I'm coming. Don't get me wrong. Let me like, I mean, let me just express myself. Because me one mango factory, me produce mangoes.
Listen,
like,
baby girl, listen.
How can you eat mango to survive? I mean, me one mango factory.
Listen. This guy said he needed help. So I'm catching some small me girl. And me girl, but me niska be home. Man for me phone question. If you see me man shop or look.
Why? Me car tie na pie na me just say a quite da baby. That's what I mean. I mean, be organized.
Yo. No, you're trying to fake here.
No, I'm not.
First
I'm
of all,
not faking,
baby, why do you know this guy?
Babe, me share guy no time a me pay. On them manager free aqua Derek Boateng, Sule Muntari, Michael Essien.
No, Mark Fossil and come.
But so about Derek Boateng there.
That's what I mean, you know.
Oh my God.
I didn't say Sule Muntari.
But you mentioned Derek Boateng, right?
Yeah.
And also on our manager mo.
Yeah, but
and now what pack Range Rover with you?
I didn't say range. I said Porsche. I didn't say range.
What? Look at you, yo. You. So, baby, what happened? He came to you and proposed to you. What?
Yes, babe. I fell for it.
Yo, nigga. No, stand it, nigga.
No, I mean,
you be saying what way? Me want me feel you. You gave me vibes, and I follow you, yeah. Right now, who starts here, Bessia? This is what you have been doing. Me more shop, I'm more trying. Look at what you are doing here. Really? Wow. That's good of you, innit? Yo, what up, baby? Let's go.
You are such a good actor.
Let's go. Give it to me.
Thank you, babe.
Whoa, my boys now boo more on rough. So I would do one from around. Yo,
no, but you say, hey, but Ghana mrem ya just mo bi ndwa na numa na.
Hey, I want to quit. No. Lyrica. Hey, put it go. Hey. Woo!
What? Babe, let's go.
No. This, you know. This guy met me. What? Me, I said to me,
honey, I'm not surprised. Yeah, honey, I'm not surprised. Or the me. So I'm not surprised.
But anyway, I feel his vibes, innit? He's such a smart guy. Really. Mama question, no got na shop. You been this guy.
This
This guy is bad.